Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be exploring how to become an entrepreneur with ChatGPT. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. To become an entrepreneur, it's essential to have the right mindset, knowledge, and tools at your disposal. With ChatGPT, you can leverage this powerful AI to help you on your entrepreneurial journey. Here are 5 actionable steps to get started. Step 1. Identify your business idea. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm and refine potential business ideas. Begin by asking the AI for suggestions based on your interests, skills, or industry trends. For example, type in business ideas for tech enthusiasts and review the ideas that ChatGPT generates. Don't forget to take notes and keep refining your idea until you find the perfect fit. Step 2. Market research. Once you've identified your business idea, it's crucial to understand your target market and competition. Ask ChatGPT to help you find relevant data, statistics, and trends related to your industry. You can also ask for information about your target audience, such as their demographics and preferences. Use this information to validate your idea and develop a solid business strategy. Step 3. Create a business plan. A well-crafted business plan is essential for attracting investors and partners. ChatGPT can help you structure your plan and provide tips on what to include. For example, ask the AI, how to write a business plan for a tech startup, to get advice on creating a strong business plan tailored to your industry. Remember to focus on key areas like your mission statement, market analysis, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational plan. Step 4. Develop a marketing strategy. To make your business successful, you need to reach your target audience effectively. ChatGPT can help you craft a comprehensive marketing strategy that includes online and offline tactics. Ask for suggestions on social media campaigns, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and more. Be sure to track and analyze your marketing efforts to optimize your strategy over time. Step 5. Network and seek mentorship. Connecting with like-minded entrepreneurs and mentors can provide valuable insights and support. Use ChatGPT to find relevant networking events, conferences, and online communities in your industry. You can also ask the AI for advice on how to approach potential mentors or partners. Becoming an entrepreneur requires dedication, passion, and a willingness to learn. With ChatGPT as your virtual assistant, you can access valuable information and guidance to help you succeed. To recap, the 5 actionable steps are: 1. Identify your business idea. 2. Market research. 3. Create a business plan. 4. Develop a marketing strategy. And 5. Network and seek mentorship. Remember, the key to success is to stay persistent and adaptable as you navigate the world of entrepreneurship. Thank you for watching this video on how to become an entrepreneur with ChatGPT. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments section below, and we'll do our best to help you out. Good luck on your entrepreneurial journey, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.